Alright, so today we're going to be opening a box of 1999 Skybox Thunder. This is the third year that Skybox put out this set, although its name changed several times. In 1997 it was known as Circa, and then in 1998 it was known as Circa Thunder. You know, young people love Thunder. It's very exciting for them. And then in 1999 they rebranded it as just Skybox Thunder. They dropped the Circa name. I only actually have one card from the set. That's this Vladimir Guerrero Super Rave card. I'm not a huge fan of the design of the 1999 set. I think it's kind of a little, I don't know, it's a little boring. It feels a little like a high school yearbook photo, and they just kind of superimpose these very generic images. They feel like, you know, stock photos basically of people playing baseball. Not very interesting in my opinion, but you know, still pretty cool. The other great thing is that I forgot about this. The thing that distinguishes the 1999 set, I don't think the 1998 set has it. Yeah. So for the 1999 set, they decided for the information on the backs, they included these little blurbs, as they so often do, these little biographical, you know, blurbs. But they made them like raps. So they're all in rhyme. So Vladimir's is, yeah, we're giving a shout out for you, Mr. Guerrero. We know you've got star power like Robert De Niro. Take it to the next level, Vlad. So they're all pretty cringeworthy, but you know, still a lot of fun and just more of that distinct 90s flavor, which is the whole reason why we open these things. Okay. Okay, let's check the odds here. Oh, we've got short prints in the base set. So the first 141, 2 to 1, 240, 2 to 1, whatever. So we've got the Rave and Super Raves. We've already talked about those. Then we've got 6 limited edition insert sets, 15 Unleashed, 1 in every 6 packs, 10 www.batters.com, 1 in every 18 packs. That actually sounds sort of like the Flair Showcase TakeIt2.net cards that came out the same year for Flair Showcase. 10 in-depth cards, 1 in every 24 packs, 15 hypnotized cards, 1 in 36 packs, hobby exclusive 10 turbocharged, 1 in 72 packs, and 10 die 1 in every 300 packs. These Super Rave cards do not come up very often. Basketball ones included. You just do not see them very much. First insert card. I think it's supposed to be designed to look like a Wheaties box. It's pretty cool. Made with 100% what? I guess he's covering whatever that says. Yeah. What are the odds on those? 1 in 6 packs. In depth. Sammy Sosa. Which was one of the 24 packs. Oh, that's cool. This is this is the www.batters.com with a Z. I love any card that tries to emulate 90s computer graphics is always just, I'm a sucker for them. You've got these little icons on the top. Looks like an old Mac font, kind of the Mac OS. Very interesting. Holofoil background thing. Yeah, very nice. What are these batters? 1 in 18 packs. Hopefully we'll see another one of these. think these parallels are, one of the easiest to miss because the differences are so subtle. Between the regular base cards and the Rave parallels. The Super Raves are a little easier because, at least the foil's a different color. The Raves have the same color foil, it's just sort of sparkly. So you really have to be paying attention. And given that this set was marketed towards children, it's easy to imagine that a lot of these cards just ended up at the bottom of shoeboxes. Oh, what's this? This is something cool. Hold on, let's see what we've got here first. Let's eat our vegetables. This is an acetate insert, turbocharged. Oh, I really like these. Acetate cards in general are awesome. And Mark McGuire too. This is dope. 70 homers. Let's face it, Mac, it's unheard of. That's straight up the fattest stat in baseball history. Looking more like a linebacker up at the dish than a first baseman. It's because of the steroids. These stadiums must look like wiffle ball parks. I find it to you. You can barely read that part. I find it interesting that wiffle ball is capitalized. I guess that's a proper noun. Wow, this is awesome. What were the odds on this? Turbocharged, 1 in every 72 packs. Great card. It's gonna be hard to top that. Yeah, I mean, just that the copy on the back is just amazing. Oh man. Let's see what we've got. We've got another insert here. Randy Johnson, Hypnotized. This one was 1 in every 36 packs. I believe how many packs are in here? 36 packs. So this is 1 per box. Pretty cool. Not as cool as our turbocharged, but not bad. It's another, wait a minute. We've got the same Unleashed card. Cards are not at all stuck together, by the way, which is pretty nice. It's our second Calvin Pickering. Thank God, not Calvin Pickering. Juan Encarnacion. Collectors.com card. No more. Nice. J.D. Drew. Ooh, another Bernie Williams Batters.com card. It's interesting, we were only supposed to get 2 of those. And we got a double. A lot of doubles in this box. Oh, nice. Another double of a card we're not supposed to get. What is going on with this box? So here we have another turbocharged Mark McGwire card, which is 1 in every 72 packs. So at most we're supposed to get 1 of these. They come 1 in every 2 boxes, and we've gotten 2 of the same one, and we've gotten 2 Bernie Williams. I think there was an issue with the collation. Last pack. Alright, so to recap our inserts, we ended up with 5 unleashed cards. We should have ended up with 6, and we ended up with 2 Calvin Pickerings, which is 2 more than I needed. Sammy Sosa in depth. I wonder what that 158 signifies. Oh, 158 RBIs. We were supposed to get 2 of these batters.net. We ended up with 3. We ended up with 2 Bernie Williams. I love this set though, so I'm not complaining. 1 Hypnotized. And then these were 1 in every 72 packs, and we ended up with 2 identical ones. Great cards though, so like I said, not complaining at all. There you go, that's Lux.